Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will think about the BJT biasing and its function within by using an objective question. So in this question, there are two lists, list 1 and list 2. So list 1 corresponds biasing of the junction and list 2 is the corresponding function. So we have to select the correct code for this question. Okay, so list 1. In list 1, the several points are there. The first point, emitter-based junction, forward bias, and collector-based junction, reverse bias. Both emitter-based junction and collector-based junction, forward bias. Emitter-based junction, reverse, and collector-based, forward bias. And both emitter-based and collector-based is in reverse bias. And in list 2, from list 2, the several options are also available or some points like very low gain amplifier, saturation operation, high gain amplifier, and cutoff operation. So basically, so in this question, the mode of operation we have to identify and the corresponding biasing. So first for and then after we have to solve this question using this code means A correspond to the list 1 points A correspond to which point of list 2. Okay, B correspond to which points of list 2, option 2 or 3 or 1 like that. Okay, so before that we have to think about the operation of BJT. Okay, so some theory we will cover. So I am writing operation of BJT. Okay, so in I am making a line here, operation of BJT. Okay, then after emitter base junction. Okay, and collector base junction I am writing. Okay, so the first one, if you think about cutoff operation, cutoff operation. Okay, after that it will very easy, means cutoff operation means both emitter base junction and collector base junction will be in reverse bias. So I am writing only reverse. Okay, and this one also reverse bias. Okay, next one we can say the saturation. In the saturation region both will be in forward bias, so I am just writing forward. Okay, or we can this forward correspond to forward bias we can write, and reverse that is RB, and this B correspond to bias, reverse bias. Okay, and after that the another one we can say the linear. In the linear operation emitter base junction will be in forward, and this one collector base junction is in reverse bias. And then another one reverse, reverse mode, or we can say reverse active mode, or linear, better to write active mode, active. This one also we can say active or reverse active mode, reverse active. So in this case reverse active, the base emitter base junction will be in reverse, just opposite to active mode. If we know this thing, you can solve the question very easily. Okay, so now in this question, emitter base junction forward bias and collector base junction reverse bias. So this one is in the active mode. So in active mode, this active mode, okay, the active mode region, and in active mode region, it will work as a very high gain amplifier. Active mode is used for the high gain amplifier, or we generally say that for the amplifier purpose this one will be work, linear or active mode. Okay, now next, both emitter base junction and collector base junction is in forward bias. So forward bias, so it is in the saturation region. Okay, both is in the, so this one is in the saturation region. I'm just highlighting both in forward bias. So is it in the saturation region? Okay, so this B correspond to the saturation region. Okay, so I'm just coloring with this one. Okay, and now this one, the first option, emitter based junction, forward bias, and collector based junction, reverse bias. So active mode, so it should be in the high gain amplifier. So this one correspond to this one, high gain amplifier. Now emitter based junction, reverse bias, and collector based junction, forward bias. So this one, electric based junction, reverse bias. Okay, so it is in the which region? Reverse one. Okay, reverse one. So I am selecting different color, reverse and forward. Okay, so this one is in the, so in this case it will works as a what, low gain amplifier, or we can say the very low gain amplifier. So in this case I am writing it will work as a very low gain amplifier. Okay, so this option C corresponds to, okay, I have to select the green one. Okay, now both emitter based junction and collector based junction, reverse bias. Okay, both are in the reverse bias, so it should be in the cutoff region. Okay, so it should be in the cutoff region. Okay, so the correct answer for this one will be our which, simply take any color. A correspond to, okay, A correspond to 3. Okay, B correspond to 2, A correspond to 3, B correspond to 2. Okay, then C correspond to 1 and D correspond to 4. So option 4 will be the correct answer. So just our option will be D. Okay, I'm just highlighting the this by the color yellow. Option, this option will be the correct one. So 3214 is the correct option for this question. So this is all about some simple description about this question. And one more thing, suppose, means I already told, for the forward active or active mode operation, it will work as a high gain amplifier, low gain amplifier. Okay, and cutoff region is used for the, what we can say, the digital circuit. Cutoff one will be used for the, I'm writing here, digital circuit, and saturation is in electronic circuit. We can write electronic switch, better to write electronic switch. So this is all about this question. Okay, so if you finally, if you match, means saturation one, all these things both will be in reverse, sorry, forward, both forward, cutoff both reverse. Okay, so this one is very important concept. Okay, so the, for the cutoff one, where is the cutoff one, means both emitter base and this one will be in the reverse bias. So D4. So our, this one will be the, we can make like this. And high gain amplifier, active board, high gain amplifier once again. So we can also match like this. Okay, so this is all about this question. So thank you for watching this video.